How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about the benefits of apple cider vinegar and baking soda for the skin. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So apple cider vinegar naturally is good for the skin, you guys. It has many benefits. So what it does is it removes dead skin cells. The reason for this is because it exfoliates the skin that traps ingrown hairs, so which stops razor bumps in their tracks, you guys. So if you're getting razor bumps, your skin is looking not so good, it's not very clear, it's not very shiny, it's not very healthy, then try the apple cider vinegar. You're going to see some crazy results simply because it's going to exfoliate the skin that is trapped for the ingrown hairs, you guys. Another thing is it helps to get rid of the acne. So if you guys are having any acne on your skin, if you want to get rid of it, then again, apple cider vinegar, what it's going to do, it's going to get rid of toxins from your skin, all that dirty bacteria, and it's going to help remove it. What I recommend doing is getting just a cotton ball. All you need is 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. What you're going to do is dip the cotton ball in the apple cider vinegar, and all you're going to do is you're going to wipe it on your face for just a little bit, you guys. You want to leave it for about 10 minutes or so. After that, you can rinse it off your face. You do this, you're going to see some really good results. People ask me how many times you should do this a day. I recommend doing it 2 to 3 times per day, morning, noon, and before you go to bed. That is how you're going to get the best results, you guys. Another thing too is baking soda. Baking soda does work for your skin as well. All you want to do is put baking soda, a little bit of water, make a little paste out of it. You're going to get the cotton ball, or you can get a little piece of paper towel if you want, or tissue, and you're just going to wipe the baking soda on wherever your skin is that you want it to be healthier, to be clear, to look nicer. So again, if you're having acne, baking soda will help a little bit for your skin, but again, the main thing is getting that nice healthy skin. And again, for baking soda, cotton ball, 1 cup of baking soda, a little bit of water, just make a little paste, and then just wipe it on the skin that you want to be better. So again, baking soda, apple cider vinegar, the benefits are good. I have used both before. In my opinion, I would say the apple cider vinegar is just a little bit better, but that's me personally. I would recommend trying both out. Try the apple cider vinegar out and try the baking soda out. See which one works best for you. Whichever one works best for you, then just keep doing it over and over again, and you will get better skin. Trust me on this, you guys. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.